Hi everybody! On this video, I am going to teach you how to make Catch the Fruits game on Scratch. So these are the sprites that we need. This is the bowl and this is the fruits. The fruits has 4 costumes. The apple, the banana, the strawberry and watermelon. Let's start coding. First, let's program the bowl. When green flags click it, go to x0 and y minus 129. And then, also let's make a variable. It's called score. And then set score to 0. And then go to controls and add a forever block. Also add an if block 2 times. Go to sensing. If key right arrow pressed, also this one if key left arrow pressed, like that. And then we go to motion, and then it will change x by 10 for right arrow, and then change x by minus 10 for left arrow. Drag it into the forever block, like that. Let's test it. And it works. Now let's go to the fruits. Go to events. When your back click it, go to x0 and y 152. Let's change 152 to, let's see, okay, how about 185. Also height, and then add a forever block, weight block, and create clone of myself block. For the weight, it will wait pick random seconds. We'll wait and pick random seconds from 1 to 2 seconds, like that. Go to controls again. When I start as a clone block again, and then it will go to, when I start as a clone, it will go to, for the X we're going to pick random from minus 190 to 190. Also switch costume to pick random from 1 to 4 because it has 4 costumes, and add a show block. Don't forget to add show block. And then repeat until operators. Wrap this one. Go to motion. Y position block, and then let's see. Okay. Minus 149. I guess. Yes, like that. And then it will change Y by minus 5, and then it will delete its clone, and it will change score by minus 1. So when it starts a clone, the fruit start as a clone, it will change Y by minus 5, which is going down until it touches the ground. If it touches the ground, it will change score by minus 1. And then it will delete the clone. But what if it touches the bowl? So if it touches the bowl, just add a if block, go to sensing, touching block, ball touch bowl, it will change score by 1. Also go to sounds, start sound chomp, and also go to controls, delete this clone block, like that. Let's test it. And there we go. We have Catch the Fruits game. Okay friends, I hope you learned something new from this video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to your friends and family. See you next time. Bye!